good afternoon again. Welcome back to my page, people, my fellow hustlers and future hustlers. My name is Jet again. Ako na naman po. Ayan. And so this is the 8th day na nag-post ako yesterday, but it's fine. Kasi busy-busy ang wala nyo. So today, the question for related to the buzzing business is, ano yun? How much are you earning? Okay. How much am I earning? Okay. We'll start here. Ang earning potential of this business, it varies depending on many different factors. Okay, first is the startup, your startup point. So, one can have a double commission right away, and some can have the normal commission. Okay, yun yung isa. So, it depends. Nakita nyo na agad yung difference, no? On the scale pa lang. Next, definitely, the amount of earnings is measured based on the time and effort, how much you put into it, how much you devote in this business. Because if you consider this as a real business, this is a real business, and you put all in, whatever you have, all in, let's say, ang time, ang effort, and dedication, you put it all, it will give you back a profit that is like a real business too. So, nasa sa iyo na yun. You are the only variable. Okay, ano pa? Third, this is not a quick scheme. Alam naman natin yan, there is no instant money. So, if you follow the training and all the processes along the way, you will get to improve your earnings. And as you expand your business, as you build it up, mas tataas. And marami na akong nakilala na even while they are doing the training, is nag-start na sila mag-earn. So that is a very good point. Now, ano pa? What's best in this business is that since we are not an MLM type, I can earn more than the person who had introduced me this business. So, ganun siya ka-diverse, ganun siya ka-effective. And, mag-example na lang din tayo if you really want to know how much the earnings, no? Example is, let's say, for a business owner, for a traditional business owner, let's say a restaurant, okay. Sa tingin nyo, how much would be her profit after taking away all the expenses on rent, monthly rent, utilities, staff salary, food inventories and all, compared to a digital business na we don't have to pay rent. We don't have to have, there's no staff to be paid at the end of the month. There is no utilities rent or utilities expense except the internet and probably which is optional, very optional, the advertisement. So you see the difference. You can see the difference from there itself. Okay, kaya I hope that I have given you some insights and lights on this. Maraming salamat, and I hope you guys just keep on tuning in, and I'll see you on my next one. God bless everybody. Mwah!